with the Corda Cade Mila Falter Rover aboard. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. You're all very welcome aboard Aer Lingus Flight 712 to London Heathrow. Captain Simon Carruthers is in charge of our flight today, and he informs that flight time is just 1 hour. Preparation for takeoff. Please check your seatbelt securely fastened. Your seat back is in the fully upright position with the armrest down. All window blinds now must be open on board. Also, smoking on board is illegal, including use of electronic cigarettes, and all the toilets are fitted with smoke alarms, which will activate if you smoke there. It is an offence to tamper with these alarms and the other safety equipment such as life jackets or seatbelts. Failure to comply with these regulations result in prosecution. Possession of mobile phone, any other personal electronic equipment, ensure now they're switched to flight safe mode or airplane mode. If your phone does not have these modes, please ensure it's switched off for the duration of the flight until the aircraft stopped and the doors have been opened. Larger electronic equipment must not be used for takeoff. Once again, for landing must be secured under the seat in front of you or in the overhead bin. If your mobile phone falls into the seat structure or you notice smoke or overheating of your mobile phone, please contact the cabin crew immediately. For the duration of the safety demonstration, we'd ask now that all earphones are removed at this time. Large headsets are not allowed during takeoff and once again for landing. We'd like to see you on board today. We hope you're comfortable and enjoy your flight with us. When you're aboard, your safety is our first priority, therefore we ask you to direct your attention to the front of the cabin. For just a few moments, we point out the safety features of this aircraft. Today we're travelling Airbus A320. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the metal end into the buckle as we're now demonstrating. To secure it around your waist, put firmly on the strap. To open the seatbelt, lift up the buckle cover. There are 8 emergency exits, all of which are clearly marked by red and white exit signs. Flow path lighting will guide you to exits in poor visibility. 4 door exits, 2 at the front, 1 on the left and 1 on the right. 2 at the back, 1 on the left and 1 on the right. In the centre of the cabin there are 4 overwing exits, 2 on the left and 2 on the right. All of the exits must be kept clear now for takeoff and once again for landing. Please take time to locate the exit nearest to you, bearing in mind it may be behind you. Should you need to use one of these exits in an emergency, leave all your cabin baggage behind and make your way to the exit nearest to you. There is a life jacket in the package under every seat. If instructed by the crew, you take it out of the package and put the jacket over your head. The long strap at the back should be clipped and pulled tightly around your waist. Each jacket has a light and a whistle for attracting attention. You inflate the jacket by pulling down sharply on the red tag hanging below the jacket in front. It may also be inflated by blowing to the red tube. Jackets must not be inflated inside the cabin. There's a safety information card in the seat pocket in front of you. Please study this leaflet carefully. If the cabin pressure fails, an oxygen mask will be lowered automatically in front of your face. Should this happen if you're wearing a face mask or face shield, remove it, stay in your seat, pull the oxygen mask down fully to start the flow of oxygen. Cover your mouth and nose with the oxygen mask. Secure it with the elastic strap and breathe normally. You must put on your own oxygen mask before you tend to children and to other passengers. The cabin lights will be dim now for takeoff and once again for landing into Heathrow. This is part of our normal safety procedures.